let's check out exponents with a fraction base. The first thing that we can do here is just apply the rule that we know. This is 2/3 to the 4th power when we're looking at a, which means 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3 times 2/3. Okay, and you can go ahead and follow that to the right. Multiply straight across on top, multiply straight across on the bottom. So we got 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times another 3 is 81. So there's your answer. Okay, now there is a shortcut here. And at this point in the game, we can just look at it like, oh, well, this means 2 to the 4th power over 3 to the 4th power. And then we can figure out what that means. Or get those answers and have the numerator over the denominator. If you're looking at your calculator for the power button, especially something that's not squared, let's say it's to the 4th, and you want to enter that in your calculator, you can go at 2, so you type in your base. There's a little button that looks like a caret, and then press 4, and then it should give you, and then enter, and then it should give you 16. So the little caret button is the one that you're looking for if you're trying to use your calculator to take a shortcut. All right. So then, looking at the rest of these, the negatives and the powers still apply. So if I have a negative power to an even, or a negative base to an even power, I'm going to get an even answer. So I can really just ignore that negative. So this is 1 to the 4th power over 4 to the 4th power. Well, 1 to the 4th is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. 4 to the 4th power is 256. And there we go, that's our answer. Alright, check it out, C. Really, we're going to get the same thing. All I'm trying to point out here is that it doesn't matter where this negative sign is. It could even be at the bottom instead of the top, because I could just rewrite this just like this, and we get the same thing as we had up here. Okay, so those are the same. Even if the negative's out front, I could put that negative with the 4 on the bottom or the 1 on the top. It doesn't matter. It still means that fraction is negative, and then when taken to an even power, we get a positive answer. All right. So lastly, looking at the bottom one, we have a negative to an odd power, which means I'm going to get a negative answer. So 4 to the 3rd over 5 to the 3rd. So 4 to the 3rd is 64.